Porta-King prefabricated buildings are a better alternative to on-site construction for a wide range of construction applications. Because they are fully assembled at our factory, they are shipped to site ready for immediate use. Applications include guard buildings, equipment enclosures, control rooms, operator booths, and press boxes, just to name a few. Guard buildings are one of the more popular uses for these structures, and we produce hundreds of them every year. To keep up with our customers' demands, we utilize unsurpassed manufacturing capacity and modern fabrication equipment, not to mention our very experienced production team. All of this to ensure you get the industry's best products and the best lead times. Porta-King's manufacturing takes place in 2 buildings, with a total of 160,000 square feet of floor space. The buildings are separated by a large surface lot that serves as a staging area to allow quick and easy access for the numerous trucks that transport Porta-King's buildings to locations throughout North America. In addition to offering tremendous manufacturing capacity and expertise, we are proud of our superior on-site support. With 10 regional sales offices across the U.S., we can meet with you face-to-face to answer your questions, discuss your project requirements, review construction options, and explain the installation process. Duraluminum is our most economical option, with one distinct advantage. Constructed with all anodized aluminum components, these structures are completely maintenance-free to provide years of reliable performance. Popular applications for these buildings include perimeter security buildings, parking attendant booths, and operator shelters. Optional construction features can be added to duraluminum buildings to enhance the aesthetics. This includes standing seam roofs, factory-applied brick and faux stone, and more, all of which will ensure that these buildings fit in seamlessly and beautifully on your campus. DuraSteel is our most popular construction option. These heavy-duty structures consist of a welded steel framework, walls, and roof structure, all of which can be customized to accommodate an unlimited array of design options to address both form and function. Optional features like raised roof fascia, standing seam roofs, custom wall options like raised panels, vertical and horizontal reveals, faux stone, and factory-applied brick can all be applied to DuraSteel buildings to create a guard building that makes a positive impression on all visitors to your facility. DuraSteel equipment enclosures provide a quick and easy way to protect valuable outdoor equipment from harsh weather and vandalism. They also provide excellent protection from excessive noise while aiding in maintaining ambient temperature inside for optimum equipment performance. All of these applications, combined with our decades of experience, will help ensure that your prefabricated building is built to last. Trust Porta-King to create smart spaces for your facility.